I'm Wes Moore, and this is American Idol. Just kidding. This is More for Your Money, More TV. Let's talk about Japan for a minute. The potential of a nuclear meltdown in Japan has increased overnight, sending all investors running to cash. The Tokyo stock market has posted its biggest two-day drop since 1987, while commodities slid, but treasuries jumped. So that means the good news for Americans seeking mortgages is Japanese investors have been seeking stability in our mortgage-backed securities. This has dropped rates since last Thursday. So they went down Friday, they went down Monday, and they were going down this morning, although they're headed back up a little bit now at lunchtime. The other good news for American consumers is crude oil continues to fall on the idea that Japan's need for it's going to be pretty much zilch as its economy grinds to a halt. Now a little segment on Did You Know? Did you know I can save your high-end consumers approximately $147 per month on their monthly mortgage payment simply by financing their mortgage insurance instead of paying it monthly? If your borrower has 10% down, it is so much better for them to finance the mortgage insurance, kind of like on an FHA loan, but this is conventional, than to pay it monthly. Why? Check out this example. Assume a $450,000 sales price and 10% or $45,000 down and a loan of $405,000. Normal monthly mortgage insurance on a 90% loan to value is 52 basis points or 0.52% divided by 12. That works out to $175 a month. But get this, if they finance it, it costs them 1.3% of that $405,000. So that's only $5,200 and change. If you look at $5,265 at 5% for 30 years, it's only going to raise their payment $28, as opposed if they pay it monthly, it's $175. That's $147 per month savings simply by having their loan officer know this information. If they don't, it's costing them. If they're going to be in this home at least 3 years, this makes huge sense. So make sure you tell your higher-end clients you know a loan officer who can help save them $147 a month on their loan. They'll love you for it. Now let's talk about the loan of the week. Some names have been changed here to protect the innocent. Maria was referred to me a few months ago by her realtor. Her realtor had already helped Maria's boyfriend with a home, and I'd helped him with the mortgage. Everybody was very happy. It was a win-win situation. However, Maria and boyfriend broke up. So she was bound and determined not to use ex-boyfriend's loan officer, ex-boyfriend's title company, ex-boyfriend's pest control guy, whatever. So she went and picked her own mortgage company. Long story short, that mortgage company missed the closing date. In fact, they didn't even tell Maria that they didn't even offer the NMMFA loan program until a week before the closing. So they had a loan in their pipeline for a month and didn't even have the product. Anyway, at that point, the realtor stepped in and said, call Wes immediately. We got the appraisal transferred into our name. We ordered the binder. We registered with MFA, and the loan will close next week. Luckily, Wes also knew the listing agent, thanks to him, and was able to get the $50 per day fee that was going to be charged her for missing the closing waived. Moral of the story is, listen to your realtor. They know what is best for you. And realtors, remember, for you and your client to get more for your money, all you got to do is call Wes at 249-4506. Until next time, I'm Wes Moore.